Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 air humidifier. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DIRMA F605 liters Air Home Ultrasonic Humidifier. Product details. Brand name, DIRMA. Capacity, 4.1 to 6 liters. Power, W, 500 W. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Shape, classic columnar. Application, 11 to 20. Humidity control, piano type. Mist outlet quantity, 1/A. Time to market, Jan 11. Mist output, gallon, day, 1. Humidifying capacity, 350 milliliters/H. Capacity, 4.1 to 6 liters. Item number 2 is new XIAOMI Original MEJIA Humidifier. Product details. Brand name, XIAOMI. Capacity, 2.6 to 4 liters. Power, W, 17.5 watts. Certification, SAE. Voltage, V, 220 volts/50 Hz. Noise, 36 dB 45 dB. Use, household. Shape, classic columnar. Application, 31 to 40. Humidity control, knob. Model number, MEJIA Humidifier. Installation, tabletop, portable. Mist output, gallon, day, 6,800 milliliters. Humidifying capacity, 280 milliliters/H. Operation method, twist. Release date, 2021. Size, 185-312 millimeters. As the item number 3, we've selected 4 liters humidifier essential oil aroma diffuser. Product details. Brand name, Tintin Life. Capacity, 2.6 to 4 liters. Power, W, 28 watts. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Noise, less than 36 dB. Use, household. Shape, classic columnar. Application, 41 to 60. Model number, TL1202. Time to market, 2017. Power type, A, C source. Mist output, gallon, day, 4 liters. Humidifying capacity, 300 milliliters/H. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.